This is MINGDA showroom. This is our finished tester printing model. MINGDA company is a manufacturer in Shenzhen, China, and MINGDA also have a desktop 3D printer and the industry 3D printer. Now, education 3D printer we have 3 colors: red, blue, and yellow. Our technology person will test the machine every day, and we will make a test report. This is our test machine steps standards. MINGDA Industrial 3D printer is very professional and high precision, and the printer machine have good performance. And this is our newly designed biggest printer, MBCC6. It's also our company standard products. And now we have, this is Angel model. We have a finished printing, and you can see the printing results. A 10 millimeter feedback is very stable.